Hi reception and nursery, I hope you're all doing really good. I thought today maybe we could have a story, and I've chosen a story about 10 wriggly wiggly caterpillars. I hope you like it. So today we're going to be reading 10 Wriggly Wiggly Caterpillars by Debbie Tarbett. 10 crunching caterpillars in the bright sunshine. One fell asleep, so that left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 speedy caterpillars thought they might be late. One was too slow, so that left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 munching caterpillars, all in crunching heaven. One got a tummy ache, so that left 7 clever caterpillars creeping through some sticks. One got stuck, so that left 6 singing caterpillars, glad to be alive. One stayed to sing, so that left 5 brave caterpillars, going to explore. One got lost, so that left 4 daring caterpillars, inching up a tree. One fell off, so that left 3 cool caterpillars splashing in the dew. One got soaked, so that left 2 happy caterpillars having so much fun. One got tired, so that left 1 sad caterpillar all on his own, when all of a sudden there were 10 bright and beautiful pretty butterflies spreading their wings and flitting through the skies. Wow, doesn't that look pretty, guys? I hope you like the story. I thought maybe now we could try and make our very own butterflies. See if you can give it a go. For our butterflies, we're going to need some tissue paper or any kind of pretty paper, ribbon or string, and some scissors. So first we've got our tissue paper, and we're going to need to cut it into a circle, just like I did here. Now we're going to need our ribbon, so have it handy. What we're going to do is we're going to pinch it from the middle and pinch it all the way up till you get a bow, just like that. Then we need our string or ribbon, and we can tie it up, just like I did here. After that, we can trim it to make it look like a butterfly. I've even made some antennae. You can use any kind of paper you like, wrapping paper, tissue paper, and that I've even made one with more than 2 wings. Give it a try. Well done! Now don't forget to email us your pictures because we would love to see all the lovely work you've done. Have a good day. Bye!